you've seen the well-to-do upon Lenox Avenue, on that famous thoroughfare with their noses in the air, high hats and narrow collars, white spats of $15, spending every dime on a wonderful time. If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where Harlem flits, putting on the Ritz. Spangled gowns upon the bevy of high browns from down the levee, all misfits, putting on the Ritz. And that's where each and every Lulu Belle goes, every Thursday evening with her swell bows, rubbing elbows. Come with me and we'll attend the Jubilee and see them spend their last 2 bits, putting on the Ritz.